How to join subreddits on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to join subreddits on Reddit so you can customize your feed with content you like. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can search for the topic you are interested in, like gaming, technology, memes, and you will see a list of related subreddits. Now here, with that, you can just tap on the subreddit from the list, and this will open the community page. Now here, at the top of the subreddit page, you can just tap on join button, and once tapped, you'll officially join the subreddit. And after joining, you can post from that subreddit and it will start appearing in their home feed and your home feed as well. And if you leave or want to leave, you can just tap on the join button again, and from there you can just tap on leave. And that's it. That's how you can join subreddits on Reddit. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.